Thomson is back, and what that means exactly, what it brings you, and what news there is, we want to out today. Stay tuned. We'll get started right now. The Thomson Company doesn't tell you anything. You've never heard of it. But build this great TV, a mega great equipment. And one of them we want to introduce to you today. But first of all, what makes this TV so special that we are introducing it now? We start here with a frameless design, as you can see here. And that's what you're looking for in this price range and size, unfortunately for other. Hand on heart, how many manufacturers do you still know who produce white TVs? I think you can count that on one hand. It used to be possible to produce white TVs. Now Thomson is taking up the matter again, and I think is nothing more elegant than a white TV that hangs on the wall. Our Thomson TV has so many connections that you can get through here really comfortably with all devices, be it a game console or something else. Numerous apps are available to you here, like Netflix or Prime, and many, many more. In the Google Play Store, you can then download apps. With Chromecast, you can play your tablet or smartphone comfortably on the TV. I personally liked it best here that you can also adjust the feet here. If the TV doesn't fit on a box, you can adjust the width here. A illuminated remote control is of course just as important as voice control. Elegant, narrow, and with voice control. Our TV is currently available in 24, 32, and 40 inches. From 2024 on, probably also in 43 and 50 inches. Our model in 32 inches costs $199. Here are a few more technical data. You can find all the data on the home page. We link the whole thing to you, of course. Let's come to a conclusion. The TV has completely convinced me. It's the little things it does. Starting with frameless design in this size. The triple tuner, i.e. the equipment anyway, so absolutely a lot of connections. Then we have, in white, very, very elegant, the adjustable footrest. And finally, that we have a background illuminated remote control with all the buttons. And the whole thing for $199. I'm already looking forward to the larger models when they are there. How the picture quality is. You have questions about it? Use the comment function. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.